Hi, my name is Kanishka and welcome to my Face Yoga channel. This is your little space to slow down, reconnect with yourself and give your face some love. Before we begin, close your eyes with me. Take a slow deep breath in and gently breathe out. Feel the breath, relax your face and let go of any tension. Keep breathing. And now open your eyes. Today we are going to focus on simple exercises for our forehead, eyes, cheeks and jaw. I want you to do these exercises with me. Just follow what I'm doing and stay focused. Let's begin. First exercise is just relaxing the scalp. Place your fingertips gently on your scalp and begin making small circular movements. Keep the pressure intuitive, not too hard, not too light. बहुत gently massage करना है अपने head, अपने scalp को. And as you massage, focus on releasing any tension you may be holding in your scalp and forehead. We are also stimulating the scalp. Now I am tapping on my forehead and my head. Just keep tapping on your scalp, on your forehead with your fingers. This helps wake up the muscles and bring some energy into the area. Take a moment to notice how relaxed your forehead feels. Keep tapping it gently. Pressure बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है. Lightly tap करना है अपने पूरे head को and that's it. Now for this exercise, place your fingertips on your forehead just above the eyebrows and gently press your head forward while using your fingers to glide the skin upward and away. Once again, place your fingertips on the forehead and move your fingers from the center of your forehead outward, and you can continue towards the back of your head and your neck. Continue doing this exercise with me. If you tend to hold a lot of tension in your forehead or you want to work on the appearance of forehead lines, try this gentle, effective exercise. Keep the movement slow and gentle. Tilt your head forward while you are doing your exercise. The goal here is to relax and release tension from these forehead muscles. Take a deep breath and release. Remember, this is just one simple technique. There are so many more exercises that we can explore together on this channel. You will enjoy your time doing those exercises with me, and they are very, very relaxing. And we are almost done. Moving on to cheeks now, place your index fingers just above your cheekbones. Now gently press downward with your fingers while using your cheek muscles to lift upward and turning it into a smile. Feel your cheekbones walking against that gentle resistance. Keep repeating this movement. You have to press the area, you have to press your cheeks with your fingers and try to smile and feel the resistance. The focus here is on lifting and defining the cheekbones. Feel the resistance and keep doing the exercise. Keep your shoulders and arms relaxed and remember to breathe naturally. We're almost done. Now for the next exercise, I'm applying a little moisturizer on my cheeks because we are going to be doing cheekbone massage. So place one finger underneath your cheekbone and one finger just above it. You should be able to feel the cheekbone between your fingers. Now starting from the center of your face, glide your fingers outward, following the line of your cheekbone. Keep the pressure comfortable and controlled. Don't force or drag the skin. That's why I applied moisturizer also. You can apply facial oil, moisturizer, whatever helps you glide your fingers on your face. Here we are activating the cheek muscles. Massaging it gently and remember pressure बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है. फेस की स्किन बहुत डेलिकेट होती है, तो जितना प्रेशर आपको ठीक लग रहा है, टॉलरेबल है, जितना आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लग रहा है, उतना प्रेशर आपको रखना है. और रिपीट करनी है एक्सरसाइज मेरे साथ अभी कुछ सेकंड्स और. Facial massages should relax your face. At no point it should become a punishment that you have to endure. It should be relaxing. The idea is to relax your facial muscles and activate them at the same time. So you should feel relaxed while doing these exercises, even if they are for cheekbones. And we're done. Moving on to the jaw and neck area. For first toning exercise, make a gentle fist and place it underneath your chin. Now slowly open your mouth while applying gentle upward resistance with your fist. So what I'm saying is आपको अपना fist जो है मुट्ठी बना के चिन के अंदर रखना है और अपना माउथ ओपन करना है और अपने fist से प्रेशर लगा के रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट करना है, जिससे कि वो प्रेशर लगाएगा और आपको थोड़ा सा रेजिस्टेंस फील होगा अपना माउथ ओपन करते हुए. You should feel the muscles under your chin and along your neck engaging. चिन और नेक दोनों की मसल्स को ये इंगेज करती है एक्सरसाइज. कीप द मूवमेंट कंट्रोल्ड एंड कंफर्टेबल. दिस एक्सरसाइज हेल्प्स स्ट्रेंथन एंड टोन द नेक एरिया while working on the appearance of the jawline and double chin. Keep doing it with me. Open your mouth and create resistance with your fist. Very simple yet effective exercise, and we are almost done. Now for the last relaxing exercise, place your fingertips at the center of your chin and glide them outward along the jawline, following the natural shape of your face. This is very similar to what we did for our cheekbones. Keep the pressure gentle and focus on releasing any tension that you may be holding in this area. If you find it difficult to move your fingers or glide your fingers, then please use some moisturizer or facial oil so that the massage is easier. At no point you should drag your skin or force your skin. It should come smoothly and naturally. Very simple exercise. You can do this on your cheekbones, you can do this on your jaw. Just a few more seconds and we'll be done. And that brings us to the end of today's face yoga session. We worked on releasing tension and toning the forehead, cheeks and jawline with a mix of gentle massage, strengthening and relaxation exercises. I have also done a 28-day face yoga challenge and I've made a whole playlist of it. I will tag the playlist here and in the description box as well. If you enjoyed today's video, then give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next face yoga session now. Until then, breathe, relax and keep glowing.